Okay, another way you can solve this problem is by using a table. And I know some students really like using a table here. Okay, so what we're going to have, oops, that didn't work out great. So we're going to have our 25% alcohol mixture. We're going to have our 85% alcohol mixture, and we're going to call those X and Y. Okay, we know total, the combined solution that we want to make. In fact, I should have put this down here, sorry. The combined solution that we want to make is a 35% solution. And we want 660 milliliters total of that. Okay? So we can add these together and say, okay, X plus Y is going to equal 660. So many milliliters of the 25% solution is the X, so many milliliters of the Y solution, which is 85%, will equal 660 milliliters total. Now what we can do is we can multiply these, and if you want, you can even make another place in the table. Multiply those, we'll get 0.25x, 0.85y, and then multiply those, and we will get 231. And so X plus Y equals 660 was our first equation, and our next equation will be 0.25x plus 0.85y equals 231. Okay, so this is a way to do it with the table. You take your two mixtures that you're going to combine together. They will equal the third mixture that they're going to have to combine to equal this 35% solution. And then we'll put our variables in place, X for 25%, Y for 85%, and then our total milliliters. And then we multiply across to get the 0.25x, 0.85y equal to 231, and then solve. Hopefully that helps.